everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. Today I am going to University of Leipzig to cover the Aufnahmeprüfung. Today is 7 September 2023, and as you know that we believe in giving the personalized service to the students of Amratpal Vision who are here in Germany and who are here to write the Aufnahmeprüfungs. And today I will show you the level of competition. Thousands of students will be there to write the Aufnahmeprüfung, but only 6 to 7 Indian students will get the seat here in Aufnahme so that they can sit into the studienkolleg. So guys, don't come to Germany if you are not prepared with your German language, if you are not prepared with your mathematics skills. Otherwise, you will definitely not get the seat here in studienkolleg because there's a tough level of competition. And as you've seen the videos of mine, TU Berlin, Aufnahmeprüfung, KIT Aufnahmeprüfung, Hannover Aufnahmeprüfung, München Aufnahmeprüfung. So guys, seats are very less, but students are here. But for the students of Amratpal Vision, there is no problem because we prepare them in the German language, we prepare them for the mathematics. So 100%, till now we have 100% result while when it comes to the placement here in studienkolleg. So guys, don't worry, come to Amratpal Vision, you will definitely find a seat here in public studienkolleg. See you soon here in Germany. So guys, today I am here in the University of Leipzig to cover the Aufnahmeprüfung, and behind me you can see hundreds of students who are waiting to write their Aufnahmeprüfung. But students of Amratpal Vision, don't get worried by seeing this much of students because we will give you 100% guarantee that you will get a placement here in public universities, public studienkolleg, because we will prepare you with proper German language skills, with proper mathematics skills, with proper Aufnahme preparation course so that you can get a seat in just one go. There are hundreds of students, right, who are here in Germany from last 1.5 years, 2 years, but they still couldn't get into public studienkolleg because they couldn't pass the Aufnahme. They have given 10 plus Aufnahmes, but still they could not get into any public universities because their language is not good, because their math skill is not good, because they didn't prepare for the Aufnahme test. They don't know what comes in the Aufnahme, but we give a Aufnahme preparation test, Aufnahme preparation course to the student so that once they are here in the Aufnahmeprüfung, they will 100% pass those exams. And till now, 100% ratio is there with Amratpal Vision. In Halle, we got placement in Munich, in Hanover, in KIT, in TU Berlin, everywhere there are the students of Amratpal Vision, just because we give them the proper training, just because we send them to a proper German language school where they get prepared for proper Aufnahme test, not for just language, just for certificate. We don't do that. So guys, every student went inside now to write their Aufnahmeprüfung. No other mentor was here during my whole trip to Germany, in TU Berlin, in KIT, in München, in Hanover, in Leipzig, in Halle. No other mentor was here to support their student. No other consultant was here to support their student, and they have never stood behind their student to support them. But we here at Amratpal Vision, we are always here in Germany whenever the Aufnahmeprüfung is conducted, whenever there is a time to make the application. And studienkolleg, our student wrote almost 10 Aufnahmes, 7 Aufnahmes, so that we can secure 100% seat in public studienkolleg. So guys, we will always stand with you here in Germany while you come here, when you come here for your Aufnahmetest and studienkolleg. See you soon here in Germany and stay updated. Follow our Instagram handle so that you will know that in which universities I am going, which new programs are there, which new programs are launched by Amratpal Vision, so you will always get updates. So follow my Instagram handle, that is Amratpal Vision Official. See you soon here in Germany again.